Hi guys, today's conditioning workout of the day is 5 rounds for time, 30 calorie row, 20 alternating snatches, 50 pounds for the guys, 35 pounds for the ladies, and then 10 deadlifts, 135 for the guys and 95 for the ladies. So in the row, what we're looking for is for you to keep a nice neutral spine the entire time. So as you're going forward in the row, you're going to keep your back slightly upright. You don't want to go too far forward. And as you're coming back with your nice strong pull, you're going to lean slightly backwards. We don't want to get a huge lean into the back of that row. Then for your dumbbell snatches, you are going to start with one head of the dumbbell on the floor. You're going to try and keep a straight line from the dumbbell coming from the ground to overhead by getting a good shrug and pulling yourself under that dumbbell and catching it with a straight elbow from your shoulder to your hand and standing it up fully. In the deadlifts, you are going to start with your shoulders above your hips and your hips slightly above your knees. Have your hips and shoulders rise at the same time until you get above your knees. At the time you get at or above your knees, that's when you start to push your hips forward and fully open your hips to a full extension. This lift finishes when your knees, hips, and shoulders are in line, so completely standing up. Scales for this. If you don't have a rower, we'll do 1 burpee per calorie. For the dumbbell snatches, if you have a shoulder issue, we can just do single armed, so we can just isolate that one shoulder. Or you can obviously go a little bit lighter on the dumbbell. You could use a kettlebell if you have a kettlebell and not dumbbells. If you only have a lightweight dumbbell, go faster. For the deadlifts, you can certainly lower the weight to whatever you have available or whatever your ability is. This should be a relatively light weight for your deadlift, so keep that in mind. Enjoy this and have a great WOD.